In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change YoY in Excel. We will walk through a simple way to format your year-over-year percentages so they are easier to read and interpret while you work. First, select the YoY cells. These are the cells that already contain your year-over-year formulas or values. Click on the first YoY cell, then drag down or across until all the YoY cells are highlighted. You should see a solid border around the selection, and every cell you selected will have a slightly different background color. Take a second to confirm you did not include any totals, headers, or non-percent values in this selection, since they would also get the same format. Once that is done, press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Hold the Control key, then tap the number 1 key once, and release both keys. This opens the Format Cells window for the range you selected. You will see several tabs across the top of this window, such as Number, Alignment, and Font. The window might appear near the center of your screen, and behind it you should still see your highlighted YoY cells on the worksheet. If the window does not appear, press Escape, click any selected cell once, then try Ctrl+1 again to make sure Excel is active when you press the keys. From there, click Custom. You will find Custom in the list on the left side of the Format Cells window, under the Number tab. When you click Custom, the right side of the window changes. You will see a list of sample formats in a box labeled Type, and just below that, a field where you can type a custom format. Excel may highlight one of the existing formats in the list, but we will ignore those because we are going to enter our own. This custom section controls exactly how numbers display without changing the actual values in your YoY cells. Now enter +0% semicolon -0% semicolon 0% in the type field. Type it carefully as +0% semicolon -0% semicolon 0% with no extra spaces. This format tells Excel to show positive YoY values with a plus sign, negative values with a minus sign, and zero values with no sign. Once you finish typing, look at the sample area near the top of the window. You should see an example value showing with the new style, such as +10% or -10%. Click OK to apply the format, and your selected YoY cells now immediately display with the new percent style. You have now changed how your YoY percentages display, making positive and negative changes much easier to scan at a glance. If this helped you clean up your YoY view, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Excel tips.